Today's sponsored video is on Silynx, that's New York Stock Exchange ticker SYNX. Silynxcom Ltd is an Israel-based technology company, established in 2008, that specializes in the development, manufacturing, and distribution of ruggedized tactical communication headset solutions. Renowned for its innovation, Silynx has become a leading provider of reliable communication equipment for military, law enforcement, security, and tactical professionals. Leveraging Israel's technological expertise, the company's research and development team focuses on enhancing product durability, connectivity, noise cancellation, and comfort. Silynx's flagship tactical headsets utilize cutting-edge bone conduction technology, allowing users to maintain situational awareness while transmitting and receiving clear voice communication. The company's products extend beyond headsets to include in-ear communicators, microphone and speaker systems, cables, adapters, and various accessories, all engineered for simplicity, ruggedness, compatibility, and reliability. Silynxcom Completes successful IPO, poised for growth serving military and law enforcement globally. On January 17, 2024, Silynxcom Ltd successfully concluded its initial public offering on the New York Stock Exchange. The company issued 1,250,000 ordinary shares at a price of $4 per share. The gross proceeds amounted to $5 million, excluding underwriting discounts and offering expenses. With strategic foresight, Silynx intends to allocate the capital towards various endeavors, including marketing, research and development, operational enhancements, and other growth initiatives. Silynxcom receives a $400,000 follow-up order from a leading global defense company. On January 23, 2024, the company revealed that it has received a follow-up purchase order of approximately $400,000 from a leading global defense company. This is the third order Silynxcom has received from this customer for its advanced Claris in-ear headset system family of products, collectively amounting to over $4.5 million. CEO of Silynxcom, Nir Klein, commented, "We are pleased to announce our third order from a leading global defense company, marking over $4.5 million in total orders from this esteemed customer. We believe that this milestone reflects the trust and satisfaction of our customers and the growing demand in the defense sector for innovative and discreet smart solutions." Silynxcom received $550,000 in orders from Israel Defense and Israeli police forces since the beginning of the year. On February 13, 2024, Silynxcom announced that it has received repeat purchase orders of approximately $550,000 since the beginning of 2024 from the Israel Defense Forces and Israeli police forces for its advanced military headset system family of products. Since October 2023, the company has received over $4.85 million in orders from the Israel Defense and Israeli police forces. Repeat orders serve as a strong indicator and confirmation of the distinct capabilities and effective deployment of our innovative in-ear headset products, especially nowadays when our products are constantly in demand for combat, said Chief Executive Officer Nir Klein. There is an explosive rise of in-ear headsets, revolutionizing military and law enforcement in the headset industry. The headset market is poised for steady growth over the next few years, driven largely by military, law enforcement, and commercial developments. Military and law enforcement agencies are adopting headsets at increasing rates to enhance communication and situational awareness during operations. This is evidenced by the military and law enforcement headset market reaching $2.66 billion in 2021. Within this segment, personal headsets make up the majority at 72.25% market share or $1.845 billion in 2021. This reflects the growing emphasis on equipping individual soldiers and officers with headsets instead of relying solely on vehicle-mounted systems. Technical analysis. New York Stock Exchange ticker SYNX. Silynxcom has a limited trading history. The company successfully IPO'd on the NYSE at $4 per share, under ticker SYNX, on January 17, 2024. The stock has since dropped as low as $2.82, however it has rebounded to the current price of $3.37 per share. Silynxcom's current share price represents a market capitalization of $17.69 million. Outlook remains promising for the emerging hardware leader. Silynxcom is the proven leader in supplying headsets and communications gear to defense and law enforcement markets. Its reputation for high-quality, battle-tested products has led to growing demand from military, police, shooting and hunting enthusiasts, as well as industrial operations globally. Silynxcom offers a unique opportunity to gain exposure to the growing market for tactical communications. If the company can continue its rapid sales growth, it is reasonable to expect the stock to grow in value tremendously in 2024 and beyond. Disclaimer. DexWire News does not provide investment advice and should not be used as a replacement for investment advice from a qualified professional. DexWire News is for educational and informational purposes only. The owner of this website is not a registered investment advisor and does not offer investment advice. You, the viewer, bears responsibility for your own investment decisions and should seek the advice of a qualified securities professional before making any investment. This feature article and YouTube video is sponsored content. We are expecting to be compensated as much as $75,000 electronically via bankwire by a third party for an advertising, marketing campaign for New York Stock Exchange ticker SYNX beginning on February 20, 2024 and ending on May 14, 2024. Please read our full disclaimer on dexwirenews.com. Before we end the video, make sure you smash the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts in the discussion box below, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And don't forget to visit our website dexwirenews.com. That's spelled D-E-X, wirenews.com, and drop your email address or phone number in the sign-up box. That's all you need to do to get first alert on the hottest New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ stocks, as well as top crypto projects. We also cover real estate, commodities and more. And of course, make sure you follow DexWire News on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit, StockTwits, Telegram, TikTok, X and YouTube. Thank you for watching this featured presentation on Silynx. We'll see you in the next video.